Hello everyone and welcome back to my kitchen, and I'm back again with an invitation for a collaboration, and this time it's going to be an April day in your kitchen, an April day in the life of your kitchen. I have sped up the March day in the life here in case anyone missed it, but the simple idea behind this collaboration is that it's an open invitation to anyone at all who invites people into their kitchen normally for their YouTube videos. And this time it's, as I said, an April day in the life of our kitchen. And the release date for this video for anyone who wants to take part in the collaboration will be Friday, April 29th. Friday, April 29th, 2022. So it gives people a bit of time to get a few ideas together, get a little bit of video together, edit your video and come up with something that shows what goes on in your kitchen during the day. And if you want to look back in the description box of this video, you'll see the people who collaborated for March, and you can go back and look at the full March video. And we had a great time putting our videos together, and I thoroughly enjoyed watching the other ladies' videos. It was great fun, and it's just a sneak peek into other people's lives. So you can email me on fionainherkitchen@gmail.com and give me your details, and when you have your video ready you can let me know, and I will gather all the details together as I did the last time and have them in the description boxes, and we'll create a playlist that it'll be easy for anyone to go and visit all the kitchens. So I'm looking forward to seeing who is going to collaborate with me this time, and as I said, anyone and everyone is welcome. Just make sure to send me your details. God bless you all. Looking forward to hearing from you. Bye.